I think the pace that the business grew probably outpaced our financial literacy. We asked Addition to join us because we needed support in bookkeeping, financial management, and kind of CFO activities. So kind of an all-round finance perspective was required for the business. We were doing it internally. We were doing it internally with our accountant. We were our first choice because we got introduced to them by our chairman, and we met Graham. And to be honest with you, we chose Addition through Graham just because we like Graham. When you partner with somebody, especially at such a high level in terms of like a CFO, you need to make sure that you like the person that you're working with. And yeah, it was really the fact that we liked Graham so much that we decided to go with his company. We thought kind of the rest was going to be secondary, but he supported us. We were doing a fundraise, and kind of he supported us, kind of no questions asked. Before we'd even like onboarded with them, he was really hands-on and really showed initiative and seemed to be a really caring person and really caring guy. So we thought, you know what, this is the type of guy we want to work with. And I'm sure that his employees are going to be similar to the way he is. And I wasn't wrong. Yeah, all the staff at Addition are absolutely fantastic. Bookkeeping was one of the most important things. Balance sheet management and general financial direction of kind of where we are with on a month-to-month basis, where we are, but also how we can improve the bottom line of the company. It's been a bit of a journey because they had to do a lot of backtracking. They had to do almost a years of backlog work. So it took a while for it to catch up, and they have done a fantastic job. So now it's kind of going into that maintenance phase. And I think into 2024, this is where we're going to see the real value of having him and his team on board, where, you know, we will be able to have that granular detailing in our financial management. One of the calls that we had, it became apparent that, you know, we were in desperate need of a new kind of a supply chain management system. I guess if it wasn't for Graham and Ben showing us how important supply chain management was in terms of like how much stock we have at hand and what it does to our cash flow and the need to raise further money, it was quite an eye opener. So yeah, we're learning from them every single day. So we started talking to Graham. I don't know if we've been exactly with when we actually onboarded that. I think it was not far after that, but I think about 6 months. Yeah, and it's already. It's kind of night and day in terms of our finances. Addition app is definitely something that's really beneficial. You can just jump in, approve, disapprove, or disapprove kind of transactions, load receipts. It's all kind of like a drag and drop system, which saves a lot of time. So I think the systems that they have are really good, and it does save quite a lot of time. Yeah. Before we were doing everything kind of internally and with our accountant, which was fine. It was just a lot of work. The point where the company was at the time, it was okay to do that because we're an online based business. So everything's online, everything's trackable, every single expense receipt, everything is locatable via email. So we're not a grocer or retailer where there's cash being handled. There's complete transparency in transactions on our online banking. So it was easy enough at the beginning, but then obviously now the business has grown. I think Graham and his team was definitely needed, and I think they to be honest with you, we were talking about it and thinking about it for a long time. It just we didn't have the time to kind of go out there and search, but two, we actually didn't know that there was, I guess, a service like this available where they would come in and provide everybody that you need, from bookkeepers to finance managers to CFOs, all in a tailored package.